To give a good quality of Thai massage or good pressure, effective pressure, massage therapists should always remember to practice these three techniques. First one is use gentle yet firm pressure. Second one is stay focused. And the third technique is concentrate. These three techniques are incorporated in one pressing. This is how it works. The first technique is gently yet firm, right? So you're gonna start the technique by slowly applying pressure. At this time that you are slowly applying pressure, your back and your arms will be straight. You're gonna use your hips and your legs to apply pressure toward your thumbs by lifting your hips and your legs up when you are applying the pressure. And it comes to the second technique, stay focused. So your thumb is gonna press on the muscles, but will be just enough that you can feel the muscle sink down. Then you're gonna stop and remain firm and focus pressure. And the last technique, concentrate. You're gonna hold the pressure for one calf or one deep inhalation and one deep exhalation. Then gently relax your fingers, lower your hips, lower your legs. At the same time, your back and your arms will be straight. So the point of holding the pressure for 3 to 10 seconds, that will allow the pressure to press on the muscle belly, which is it will relax the fascia that lie down underneath that. Giving Thai massage for health and well-being, the massage therapist should start massaging person's feet first. Start at the feet and continue upward. If client is a woman, start massaging her left foot. If client is a man, start massaging his right foot. This is related to yin and yang practice in Chinese culture or Chinese medicine. Always start massaging the feet while the client is lying supine, prone, and side-lying positions. However, you must wash your hands before massaging the person's face. So that is the traditional way. Start massage the client's feet first and work up toward the head. But when you give massage for business, we have to change the routine a little bit. But please know that the feeling that the clients will feel will be different compared to between start massage from the feet and compared to start massage from other part of the body. It could be from the face or could be from the back, but we have to do so. That's because of we have limitation about times that the clients schedule in one session, and also about the problem area in the client's body that we have to focus on. The time duration spending on each pressure point called carb in Thai language. Carb is the practice of performing one long inhalation and one long exhalation. This is how it works. While applying pressure on the muscles, you're gonna take a long inhalation, then take a long exhalation. Then lift your fingers up. This is called one carb. Then you're gonna move your fingers to apply pressure on the next point and repeat the same technique. Take a long inhalation and long exhalation. Please note that the technique of applying pressure and then hold the pressure for one carb or between 3 to 5 or 10 seconds. This is the technique in therapeutic Thai massage. For the technique that is used in Thai relaxation massage and Thai Lana or Lana style Thai massage, that will be different. In those two styles of massage, they used the technique of like thumb chasing thumb or palm chasing palm technique. So not holding the pressure, almost not holding the pressure long at all. It's like walking. I mean thumb walking or palm walking, like. But the holding pressure, that is the technique in the therapeutic Thai massage. And this is a massage for healing. It is medical massage. When giving Thai massage for health and well-being, you should massage each line 2 to 4 times. This is why a Thai massage session generally lasts at least 2 hours. And on the tense area, you should repeat massaging each line several times or until you feel that muscles are softer already. Traditionally, Thai massage performs in 4 positions. Clients lying in 4 positions. Lying face up, lying face down, side lying position, and seated position. So start by lying face up position. Start massaging the feet, legs, arms and hands, and then ask clients to lie down on her stomach. Then you can massage her feet, legs, hips, lower back and mid back. Then ask clients to lie on her side, either side. Usually start with the left hand side first. So and then you're gonna massage her feet and her foot, her leg, her hip, her lower back, mid back, upper back, neck and head. And then repeat the same thing on the other side of the body. And after that, you're gonna ask your client to lie face up, lying on her back. At this time, you're gonna be able to massage her face, her head, neck, and also abdominal. However, before you massage her face, you need to wash your hands first. And after finish all of this, you're gonna assist the client to be in the seated position. And when client is in seated position, you're gonna be able to you're gonna stretch the side of the neck, massage the neck muscles, temple, head, shoulders, scapula, and do some more stretches, chopping and cramping. That will be finished the session. But throughout the session, you'll be able to do massage by hands, by knees, palm, elbow, and foot, and also stretching. Stretching will be minimal actually in Thai massage, but the majority part that will be massaged by hands, by forearm, by elbow, by knee, and by foot. To give Thai massage for health and well-being, massage therapists could follow this. Massage by thumb 2 times each line. Go back and forth. That is called 2 times. That's for one line. And the second line will repeat the same thing. And then followed by massage by palm 4 times each line. So go back and forth. That will be 2 times. And repeat the same back and forth on the same line. That will be 4 times on each line. And each point that apply pressure point on, you should hold, should press and hold the pressure between 3 to 5 seconds. That is the speed routine for giving massage, for giving Thai massage for health and well-being. Massage routines and techniques will be changed, will be altered based on the person's health issue, age, goal of the massage treatment, and the length of the session. Practice Thai massage, bring health and healing to the community. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a healthy day. สวัสดีค่ะ